Hey guys, welcome back, and we are here with a new topic, and the topic is index. What is index? You probably must have heard that today the stock market crashed and Nifty has crashed with 600 or 200 points and Sensex is broken by 200 points, or in other way the Sensex gained 500 points and Nifty gained 200 points. So what is this Nifty and what is this Sensex? This Nifty and Sensex is called index. As you know that we have two stock exchanges. One stock exchange is National Stock Exchange and the second one is Bombay Stock Exchange. So Nifty represent NSE and Sensex represent BSE. Nifty's index is Nifty 50 and BSE's index is Sensex. Now let's understand how this Sensex works and what is the meaning of if you say the Sensex gained today 200 points. Say the Nifty is at somewhere around 12,000 and by evening if we get the news that the Nifty gained 200 points today or Sensex gained 500 points today. What does it mean? What is this 200 points and what is this 500 points in Sensex counting? There are thousands of companies which are listed on each of these stock exchanges. For example, we have somewhere around 5,000 plus companies which are listed on NSE and the same amount is with the BSE. So these companies are in thousand. If any foreign financial institution want to invest in our companies, then they cannot scan through with all these 5,000 companies in NSEs and the same with the BSE. So how any financial institution from the world can find out that the India is the best place to invest? There should be some parameters for country's growth, and indexes are the parameters from which any of the financial institution come to know that this is the country we should go for investment in. So indexes are parameters by which any of the financial institution from the world can find out that this country is doing good in financial market. So now let's understand how these indexes are created and calculated. So NSE has decided top 50 companies to be there in Nifty, and BSE has decided that top 30 company would be there in Sensex. So Nifty has 50 company, that is why it is called Nifty 50, and Sensex has 30 company involved in it. Now the weightage is given to each and every top 50 or top 30 companies in any of the index. So right now the Nifty is trading on somewhere around 12,000 rupees. And if you divide this 12,000 with this top 50 company, then you will get somewhere around 240 as weightage of each of the company. So 240 would be weightage of this company, 240 would be this till last 50 company. This 240 could be different, depends on the size and the capital of the company. But for example, we are giving equal weightage to all of the companies. So these top 50 companies are basically from different sectors. Some are the top companies from the pharmaceutical division, some of the top companies from oil and gases, some are from manufacturing, some from banking and finance. So these are how these top 50 companies are selected. Similar with the top 30 with the Sensex, but we are right now going with the calculation for Nifty only. So this is how the selection of the companies is done, and the calculation is we divide the total index value with the total number of companies. So it comes 240. As I said, this could be different depending on the capital and the size of the company. So for example, today is a good day for banking sectors, and the world finance institutions are putting their money into banking sector of our country, and now they are buying the shares of these top 5 banks in the index. So the weightage of this shares company would go up. Say for example, this goes from 240 to 260 and there are total 5 banks. So 5 into 20 is equal to 100 points. So the Sensex would increase by 100 point and it would become 12,100, and that is why the Sensex goes up for that particular day. And if there are lots of selling pressure in the stock market and they're selling the shares of these companies, for example banking sectors, then the weightage of this 240 would go down from, for example, 242, it goes to 220. Then these 5 companies would make a difference of 100 points. So the share market would fall from 100 points. So this is how we calculate the index. So we have learned the index part in this video. We'll be back with the next concept in the next video. Thank you very much.